Hi everybody, and welcome to Champion Trading again. We're showing you this beautiful little all stainless steel packing conveyor. Has a 7.5 inch wide belt and it's a little over 15 feet in total length. The working area here with the tables you see is about 10 feet in length. All stainless steel construction. Has electrical outlets and 2 points running the length of the conveyor. It's also taking its power feed from there. Little end guard. The mounting we left on here in case there's any accessories needed. Post for a small capper device. It is DC controlled, operating on 120 volt. And you'll see there the lace on variable speed controller. It's belt driven inside here from the DC motor to the gear reducer. Of course, it's on wheels, and you see there is some adjustment in the height. We'll note the existing height as you see it now in our description. We have conveyors, all types of packaging and process equipment in our inventory, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.